some vloggers do vlog.
I vlog every moment, my clot. Vlog too much, man.
You mean like mug?
Put me on there with the clot.
You can't tell me that, you can't make them know.
Hey, there's some clot.
What about me?
No.
What am I going to do?
I got pay bills. I soon talk to people. I'm not too strong, but I'm on the road right now.
Alright, so reach.
Ninja.
I play far on the bike back, you know?
Oh, me run bike. I'm a man.
Why? I love bike back.
What am I to sell? I'm not only about more than I know about. Where place is?
What place?
Where restaurant there? Where do you go buy the big food? What there?
Stedman.
Yeah.
Stedman?
If you're from Portman, someone can know about Stedman. Because I'm not from here.
How about the food there? Make you ask.
But it's a Stedman food, nice and enough.
I like it. When you some ask on the road clear, say this there?
But it's broad and flat.
At least it's broad. So what clear of?
Yeah, it's not cock up. But it's broad and flat.
My one the flat, don't that. My have little something.
Good.
Watch out.
Go on.
You can't, you don't say it on the vlog though.
So my business with people. You look like a them me kiss. And them are them yard?
No. Yeah, alright?
I'm there, man. Ready.
Yeah, too.
Wait, if I just park and this I come back?
We'll go with that, so. Guys, I don't know I'm a good charge of this.
Alright, so take care.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Yeah, bye, Chris.
Bye.
We just come from some supermarket because we're going to chef up. Clear or Nikai? Nikai, I got chef up. I'm not here to chef up anything. Some pumpkin juice that must taste bad.
I lie to you.
Pumpkin juice tastes good?
When Nikai make it, if I'm me, of course, I'll have to spit it out.
Yo.
No, all that taste. Never yet taste pumpkin juice.
We talk about for that. That was the gas. I come in up for
Lord, that's the name of it, pumpkin.
It tastes nice. He make it taste nice. I don't know what he did.
You know, could just do peanut punch or something like
But
that.
actually watch him when he cook.
It is better than peanut punch.
You gonna do it today?
One do it, but you come here, but
Oh. Where are your puss? Guys, you must remember the cat. And the dog there.
We're gonna wait for her. Hey! It's a mommy. Mommy?
Every time I come over here, I always obey the dog.
I lie.
Most time. Second time. But enough time. But how much time I come over here?
Actually. Because Nika kind of be a thing
Yeah, I obey the dog with body wash.
there. Shampoo. I want to have a nice scent, you know?
I'm gonna say, we don't want to watch all of that process when clear be a dog. Because everybody must know to be a dog. You never be the cat?
Yeah? What you say? The man animal didn't forget beard too.
Oh.
Okay. Every time Ginger come out, I remove beard. If not beard, my wife him down with wipes.
And she not in a make up the nice.
Yeah, in fact. Sometimes scratch me, so I have to slap me.
That little what are they can be there?
Come back and pull it up again.
What it was? It just run this one.
They run this up. I can't, but I have to drive through.
So that's what's up. So I'll see you guys soon. Yeah. Chef it down.
Look at you.
Oh, we'll come back with food supposed to done here. You ever say?
Come on.
Don't you bring me? Have a nice juice. I'm a good up food.
Fried rice.
And yeah, fried rice. I don't need to tell you what, because people must know what they know some good fried rice. Chef in the kitchen. Let me test it.
Tastes good.
It will taste bad if Nikai cook it. I have family cook it.
It's like to get it bound to taste bad.
Guys, go back, go watch my vlog. We cook brown stew chicken and curry chicken.
Our chicken tastes like sugar. Hamburger sugar. I'm joking, she can cook. Well, first of all, I gotta say enough love to my Tartorians out there. So from I know say a band, you know me, big up on yourself. And big up every other month.
Like March too, yeah.
Big up on yourself. As much as I'm about me. Well, let's not get into all of that now. But my birthday is May the 6th, and trust me, I'm planning to go all out. I mean, I plan to do stuff. I plan to, you know, like.
Alright, just tell us the stage.
I can't really tell now what I'm gonna do, but guys, stay tuned. So Peter Gay would have the first aid jar. Take your fam. You know, say, oh my God. Sure. Come on, my God, she wants to cook my food. So, so guys, Peter Gay will be there'll be part 1 and part 2 on my birthday. Part 1 will be on Peter Gay, and on my channel, you guys will have to go to my channel and watch the part 2, which will be lit. Yeah, but guys, stay tuned for that.
Me I catch everything, so I know what you're talking
Yeah,
about.
Peter Gay will put my name.
Me I catch everything, so I know what you're talking about.
You can find me on YouTube by Kelly White 11. Peter Gay will tag the link below. Right now, I'm gonna flip this up. I can't curse, but stop! Take! You know, I understand the primary school where people blow a nose nothing and then food and cough and sneeze. Where?
That's
Come
what.
on, something food.
You see me, I use it fork and look what she eat with. Spoon.
Spoon. Come on, enough. Like, I don't understand people say MAGA people don't eat food. This is bullshit.
I get to a comment like somebody said in the previous vlog, say, why me I eat my food and what? Why you smacking your mouth like that or something like that? Okay, thanks for your comment though. Yes, so the chef, I have to give good respect to the chef. Big up yourself, isn't it? Me I tell him say you are put the food and I must say, yeah, you are put the food and I'm saying
I know you're talking.
oh, alright, so
Anyways, please bye for
yeah,
now.
later you guys. We shall have some pumpkin punch.
And
Yeah.
how is it?
It's alright. It's actually nice, and she's walking her dog or baby this afternoon. That's Nika. Okay, good. So we just gotta take a little stroll down the road and then I go home.
What type of them grab man? Sure. If I walk with you in a reach now.
I say go in here walk with baby here. Clear no really have nothing to say to you this time around because Clear always have something to say.
Guys, what's up?
It's
What's up, people? I'm here walking my Rottweiler.
You're a Taylor?
My Rottweiler. Hey, comment down below if you guys want to see me have a dance off with Peter Gay.
No.
Yeah.
You really think we have to put up something? No. If you want to see the dance off on Snapchat, not on YouTube.
No, on YouTube we're going to upload.
No? Snapchat.
YouTube.
Snapchat.
People vote down below. YouTube or Snapchat.
Watch out, girl. Go here, go here.
YouTube. Hey!
They know how to the dance off with him, yeah. Because I don't know. Say,
Snapchat 24 hours.
Exact. My point exactly. I can't put it up. I'm not put it on YouTube.
I'm nearly kick one.
I'm not put it up. Because everybody don't know somebody can dance already.
Come out to the grass, man.
Tell me if Clear not easy. She want me and she.
They want to be princess.
Because she want me and she do one dance off on YouTube. What do you think I go win? What do you think I go win?
About fear turf.
In James?
Eh?
What do you think I go win? Me or Clear?
No.
I can dance though.
Don't speak that boy.
What?
What? Him say about me and you stiff like boy. Him also had a prayer.
Don't freeze her.
I can dance. So don't
Something that she can do, you can, and something you can, she can.
Well, I tell him I just go on.
Imagine, I sit down and free her and I say, watch it, that one that Beat you same boat record.
Oh, you have a family like that, man. My dog, I come for you.
She might feel that second time.
I'm sorry, them joke there with me, man. Ciao.
You poor soul.
Okay, come here. Get it.
Watch out! Sit down in the car. But you like a jeep.
The car right there.
Oh, you come. You come.
Oh, what's them something here?
You come. You can't get better than nobody.
Guys, what's them something here?
No.
I'm not walking right.
Where you going so far? Bad man?
So why she want to attack them?
She down to them.
We can walk one different way when I come back.
I honestly, I don't know there for me say, dog, and look what happened. Because if you never there run them dog joke there with me, that would have happened.
Shit.
You're your friend. You're your friend now, or you're your friend?
Monica just did a funny phone, so I'm not
No, me I watch. But me I watch it down on the phone.
dog start fighting it hard for part then.
I'll
We used
be,
to have one bag of dog.
I'll be a black seal.
One head full of backside.
No, you want dogs, you never defend the dog.
Come on, come here walk with you.
See, I say, girl, no one thinks for a man and things happen.
Oh.
You want to see? Oh, see, next dog up there, so. Clear the dog there on the yard. What we not there for? Watch out.
May get bite.
Clear, man, you get bited because me, I go run left you.
You will not walk with dog. Come here.
Man, make him some come off and make you know. Watch out.
Me no join me kin a face choke and me was a no take this up your mama chat. Ready when you're ready.
Let's go. Guys, right now we're at the bus stop. We can't really see.
I'm leaving. Well, she's leaving.
Yeah, we're leaving each other. So, when am I going to see you again?
My birthday.
No, your birthday weekend.
Yeah, my birthday weekend.
So, we'll see you.
It's gonna be a long day. Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
No, a Friday.
Well, Thursday for me.
So,
Just groups. Is that right?
girl. So, I guess I'll talk to you guys when I reach home. You have any last words?
Epic day.
Yeah, it was.
Hi, Friday.
Girl, fine. You guys, I'll see you guys on a journey, alright?